Hello, today I'm very excited to review this sample provided by Bubzi, and this is a charming baby clay hand and footprint. So this is the package. What I like about this is it doesn't require any air drying or any baking. So let me show you. This is the white clay. It has 8 steps where you have to knead the clay. Then you have to insert the tray into a large section of the frame. Let me show you the frame here. And then with a cup, you're going to use it to mold across the clay. And then you put baby cream on the hands and the foot of the baby. And then you press it against the clay until you reach the desired hand and footprint. Also, you're going to need 2 pictures. What else is in here? This is the manual where it shows you all the steps in detail. And it also has this tape. So you have everything here to do this, to do the foot and the handprint with the 2 pictures for the baby. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching my video.